For this video, I'll show you how to solve mixed number multiplication, which I know is a struggle for some of you. So hopefully this video will help shed some light on how to do that. Now it's super easy. There can just be a lot of steps, and so you have to be careful. So here we have 2 1/3 times 4 1/5. The first thing we have to do if we want to multiply these numbers is convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. We cannot just multiply whole number by whole number and fraction by fraction. That is wrong. Okay, so we definitely want to convert these. In order to convert a mixed number, you have to make the number mad. Okay, and this is kind of just a silly way to help you remember it, hopefully. So M is for multiply. You're going to multiply your denominator times the whole number. So we have 2 times 3, which is 6. Then you add the 6 to the numerator, 6 plus 1, 7. So we've added. And then you set it on D, the denominator. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 on top of 3 converts this mixed number into this improper fraction. Okay? So I'm going to erase this just to keep it neat here. And follow the same steps to convert this mixed number. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. And I set it on top of the same denominator of 5. So now I can multiply. Now, I look at my numerator times my numerator and I say, gee, 7 times 21, I can't solve that in my head. I may have to write that one down. So always, whenever your factors are larger, look for an opportunity to cross cancel. It can make the multiplication go a lot easier for you, especially if you're not super good with multi-digit multiplication. But if you're good with your facts, cross canceling is the way to go. So I'll look at the 7 and the 5 along this diagonal. And I notice that these numbers don't have a relationship to where I could cross cancel them. There's not a number that will go evenly into 5 and that same number go evenly into 7. So I can't cross cancel that way. Let's look at my other two numbers here on this diagonal. 3 and 21. I see a connection. I am seeing 3 can be divided by 3 and 21 can also be divided by 3. So I'll do that. I'll divide both numbers by 3. Let's switch markers here. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 21 7 times. Now my factors, well, my factors, the numbers that create my factors are a lot smaller. Okay, so I can do 7 times 7, and I know that one, 49, and 1 times 5, 5. So not only does cross canceling help you when you multiply, it helps you once you have to convert your improper fraction, if you end up with one, into a mixed number or a whole number depending. Because it's going to be a lot easier to divide 49 by 5 than maybe some larger numbers. Just more room for error the larger your numbers. So I'm going to erase what I have here to make some room for division. 49 divided by 5, hold that in your head in case I forget. So we have 49 divided by 5, and 5 facts are super easy. So how many 5s can I pull out of 49 without going over? Well, of course, 9. 9 groups of 5 take out a total of 45, and these two numbers are 4 hops apart on a number line. So now I can draw my arrows to help me remember how to turn this division problem into a mixed number. It went in 9 whole times. There was 4 left over out of the 5 that I wanted, and this is already simplified as far as it can go. So our final answer is 9 4/5, and that's mixed number multiplication.